that is a Claw AI. Claw AI basically help you to build a high converting website in any niche under 60 seconds. Build, write, publish high converting website for any offer in any niche under 60 seconds and help us earn up to $520 daily on a complete autopilots. Stop paying $1,000 to designer struggling with a slow page builder. Tell Clausite what you are selling and watch it build, optimize, turn visitor into the buyer. So basically, this is AI based website builder program which help you to build website as per your command prompt. Let's check out this video.
87 people visited your page yesterday, 4 bought, the other 83 left, and right now you have absolutely no idea why. Was it the headline? The price? The layout? Was one of them this close to buying and just needed one more reason? You'll never know, because your page doesn't tell you. It can't. It just sits there, static, saying the exact same thing to every single person who shows up. The fast scanner, the careful reader, the hesitant buyer, the person who was about to click and then didn't. Same words, same layout, same pitch, for everyone. That's not a traffic problem. That's not an offer problem. That's a page problem. Here's something nobody in the website builder industry will tell you. Every tool you've ever used was built around the same question. How do we help people build a page faster? Faster templates, faster AI generation. Not one of them asked what happens after the page goes live. Not one of them asked, who sells? Think about what a static page actually is. It's a brochure. It doesn't know who picked it up. It doesn't know if they're in a hurry. It doesn't know they were about to leave. It doesn't know what's stopping them from buying. It just sits there, saying the same thing to everyone, forever. Now imagine the opposite. A page that reads the room the moment someone arrives. That changes what it says based on how fast they're moving. That recognizes them when they come back. That catches them before they leave. That already knows what they're worried about and dissolves that worry before they voice it. That's not a brochure. That's a senior sales executive. That's what we built. Introducing Clausite, the Anthropic's most powerful models Fable 5 and Mythos 5 backed live AI website builder that doesn't just build your page, it works your page. The moment a visitor lands, Clausite's live AI engine switches on. It reads how they move, where they pause, whether they've been here before, whether they're about to leave, and based on what it sees, it rewrites your page in real time to match exactly what that specific person needs to see to buy. You describe your offer in plain text. Clausite builds your complete website in under 60 seconds, and from that moment, it sells for you, around the clock, without you doing a single thing. Here's everything running underneath every Clausite page from the second it goes live. Real-time copy evolution, objection intelligence mapping, tone morphing across 4 visitor modes, visitor behavior detection, exit intent copy transformation, returning visitor intelligence, traffic source aware variants, business DNA ingestion, precision layout engine, microcopy intelligence, plus sales pages, funnels, VSL pages, landing pages, e-commerce pages, course pages, local business pages, and affiliate pages. Drag and drop editor, free lifetime hosting, SEO optimized, 50 languages, all major integrations, and a commercial license. Build for clients, keep every penny. One payment, yours forever. No monthly fees, no limits. Here's what your page does from the moment you go live. A fast scroller lands at 11 p.m. The page compresses. The strongest proof moves up. They buy in 30 seconds. A careful reader arrives the next morning. The full argument plays out. Every doubt addressed. They buy. Someone returns for the 3rd time. Clausite skips the intro, opens at the close. They buy. Someone moves toward the back button. The copy shifts. The one reason they needed to stay appears on screen. They stay. They buy. The research backs this up. Personalized CTAs convert 202% better. Dynamic content improves conversions by 26%. Exit intent recovers 10 to 15% of abandoning visitors. Returning visitors are 9 times more likely to convert. Apple, Amazon, and Netflix have been doing this for years. It costs millions to engineer. Clausite brings it to you. For one payment. Click the button below. Describe your offer. Be live in 60 seconds.
So basically, this is a VSL video, and you have understand more about this product after watching this video. And this is one of the best website which has a lots of feature. This is all these features including in this software. So there is a fronted price is $17, one time price with 30-day money back guarantee. So if you want to check out, definitely check out from first link in description. There is a three-step formula. Just log in, describe your idea and niche. This AI tool make you the website on your request. And this some of the review they are collected from their users. And this is some of the example of the website they are built using this AI tool. So that's my review for this. Thank you very much. And if you want to check out, you can. If you want to check out the affiliate, uh, thank you very much. If you want to